I like this angle? Do I love this angle? Do I want this angle? What's good, y'all? It's Cass. I'm in my new apartment. This is actually my first video I'm filming in my new apartment, so I'm kind of excited. But anyways, you guys, today we're doing some DIY iPhone photo shoots, and the concept for today's shoot is elements. So we're gonna do fire, ice, and earth, I believe. So I'm taking those elements, putting them into a photo perspective. I'm going to shoot on my phone. I'm gonna edit on my iPad, so I'm gonna use apps that you could download on a phone, but I'm gonna do it on my iPad. Y'all are coming along. Faces beach, y'all, so I'm going to set up. I don't know why.
Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic got to say. I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life. I'm about to come and run it all back.
All right, y'all. So you're set up. Got on look number uno. So I'm gonna kind of play around, set up my light. So my iPhone tripod is just an iPhone attachment that I just put on a regular tripod. It actually came with the regular tripod, but I'll link below my Amazon store if you guys want to see different tripod options you can buy for your iPhone. But now I'm gonna connect my phone to my computer so that I can see myself while I'm shooting, and I'll show y'all how to do it.
I'm the new era, about to snap back. You ain't fitting for it, cause you all cap like. Hold up, I shoot my shot, wait, hold up. I'm really about to run this go up. You know it's all net when it go up. Ain't got no other plans, you don't need to understand, ayy. We on overtime, you don't need to understand, ayy. You just show them how to do it when you don't know what to say. Tell me how you plan to win if you plan to play it safe. Moving fast, already gone, yeah, but you bringing me back. Try to double cross me, dog. Just let me relax. Stop assuming what we doing. Keep it moving, what we doing. Cause it can get dangerous. Cause it can get dangerous. Cause it can get dangerous. Ay, please don't play no games with me. I promise I'm too much. Ay, I can never let up even if you had enough. Ay, this ain't for the faint of heart. We always playing rough. I had enough. It ain't luck. I needed a vision, I needed ambition, I needed a mission to beat in submission with no intermission. I see the collision, the crash in the distance ain't coming off track, no. Now when they ask what's the motive, don't talk, I just show them. They all about to see what I mean in the moment. I gotta keep going, I'm shaking the dice and I'm keeping it rolling. They already know. Ain't got no other plans, you don't need to understand, ayy. We on overtime, you don't need to understand, ayy. You just show them how to do it when you don't know what to say. Tell me how you plan to win if you plan to play it safe. Moving fast, already gone, yeah, but you bringing me back. Try to double cross me, dog. Just let me relax. Stop assuming what we doing. Keep it moving, what we doing.
Alright, y'all, that is a wrap to the shoot. So we are going to edit now. Whoop, whoop. To edit, I started off in the PicsArt app. I do have the premium version. You can use the free trial or download the premium version for some premium features that I use. I'm going to find the image that I shot and want to work with, and then I'm going to let it download. And then the first thing I'm going to do is remove the background, and I'm just going to add in my own light blue background since that backdrop didn't cover the entire back. From there, I'm going to go back and select stickers, and this is kind of how I'm going to add my elements and assets to the photo. So for this, I'm looking for ice, and then I'm just going to search for some ice cubes that are floating in the air, and then just kind of make it look like I was throwing those into the air. So I'm just going to make some adjustments, and then once I make those adjustments, I'm going to actually add a shadow at the bottom here just to give it a little bit more depth, make it look like it's actually a part of the photo and not just something I pasted onto there. And then I'm just changing the direction of the shadow and then lowering the opacity a bit to make it look a little bit more real. From there, I'm going to add in another sticker. For this one, I just want to do this nice little icy chain, and then to make this look more realistic, I'm just gonna kind of adjust and then erase the parts that would technically be behind. Like obviously it wouldn't be hovering over my hand and above my hair, so I'm just gonna go into the eraser tool and just kind of erase it. If you have trouble with this, you can lower the opacity of that item, erase it, and then bring the opacity back up so you can kind of see better what's behind it. But for this one, I'm just kind of guessing. Once I erase the section, I'm going to go back into shadow, add a little shadow there again just to add a bit more depth, and then I'm going to add a lens flare just since it's supposed to be like icy and sparkling and fun. I wanted to really make that necklace shine, so I just found a regular lens flare. I'm going to add it on top of the necklace, and I'm going to just shrink the size, play around with this opacity adjustments, and just make it look as much like my ice is icy. And then from there, I'm gonna save, and I'm gonna bring it into VSCO now for coloring. For VSCO, I really like their filters and just the look, so I'm gonna select the add button, add in the photo we just saved from Picsart, select my photo, and go into editing mode inside of VSCO. And then I'm gonna apply HB2, which is my favorite look and the look I kind of do whenever I edit on my computer. And then I'm just gonna make some adjustments, so I'm turning up the exposure a little bit, add some more saturation to add a bit more color pop into the image, and so you guys can just add adjustments to your liking depending on how you shot your image, whatever you feel like you need to add into there. I'm removing a bit of the shadows as well, and then I'm gonna go ahead and export that image. And then lastly, I'm gonna bring it into Lightroom just for some finishing touches, the Lightroom Mobile app. And so I'm gonna go ahead, add the photo, import the photo into my Lightroom library. And then I'm gonna go into effects, and I'm gonna reduce texture and clarity. I always like that kind of hazy look, so I like to reduce that. And I'm gonna add a bit of a vignette, which adds a little bit more depth to my backdrop, makes it look like I possibly shot on an actual backdrop, and export that image. And that is the final look, so I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Click here for the video that I recommend next, and see y'all next time.